Three.
It might be a problem statement where let the students think what happened if they have no hands or if they have injured hands, but they need to pick up something.
Find out, feel the bones and color which part of the bone that they can feel from their friend. As if I feel different angle, yeah. You see? After that, they can count how many joints can be.
You did not make use of the straw, right?
First one like this, and the second one like this, and the third.
Wrap it. And then there we are.
This
Yeah, cho ngoài thôi. Cái số mai ở từ em.
cho nó tưng tưng.
You see, we can grab two.
Kumpul bahan. Kumpul bahan-bahan.
Work without the straw. Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone's doing it a bit differently, depending on what the resources are.
I tried how many times still cannot pick up. Yeah.
That's something, what just inform you?
Yes, it is very interesting to us because we can learn how many joints, okay, where is the tendon, and then the student can know the difference of their fingerprint of every part of the fingers.
They get a bigger picture and it's more, you open it, you don't limit to just one. So they can explore.
It's more like a real world picture.
Yeah.
It's a problem solving in real life scenario. What we are doing now. Lesson 1, we will discuss about the function of hands. So they will take out their hands and then they will talk and share to among the friends. And then after that, we have a group discussion. We pick the good and the fail one to a group. Then they will use their ideas how to improve the hand that they got. Okay. And then how to get a better hand after that. The good hand will see which lesson that we want to use. If a science subject, we will talk about the force, about the bones and all that. Okay. If a math lesson, we will talk about the angle, how to hold the ball and the directions, the vectors.
You want to use this?
This is fellow trapezium.
Yeah, trapezium.
Trapezium. So 4 different trapezium. So this is the template we're following.
We want to make a shape of the plastics, but we try to find one model to make a reflection from that video, the jellyfish video.
Check that it's level.
This small, because basically we wanted a reflection upwards, right? So if we were to build something like straight like this, you will never get the reflection. So it has to be something slant so that the image here can be reflected here. Let's say example.
The flat top to be in the bottom.
Cone. Because just now we tried. When you do a cone, you can see the reflection.
11. It is on the top and in a way. The other thing is you can.
Yeah, just now we tried having it like that, but then we see a whole.
Belum dengan excited, tapi dia ada perincian sikit lah kan. Each
Simple.
Okay, let's be healthy. Yeah, yeah. No, adakah kita perlu sambung?
So do we need to
Yeah. In below.
Flow to the this stick when it tilt to the right. Yeah. Make it down and then the signal I show.
Excellent. Can't remember how it's
Turbidity. Turbidity of the water.
LED. More.
Button B, mathematics, they got option either A and B. A or B. Images. The spirit of school.
Yes.
Give me thumbs up.
Yes.
How do you feel?
If you move the magnet far away from the detector, this to show the number.
Background. Oh my gosh, it's mathematics.
Yeah, mathematics. Same.
Ah.
That's why it becomes
That's why I'm gonna graph there.
So that's why I said, where is your planning? Where is your first? Why? Asking why you think that way earlier, and then why that earlier thinking doesn't work? Because you are so eager to carry down. Something wrong.
Just now, like when you go through the three
It's important.
I think it's the process is very important because normally people are eager to get to the product and then try to solve and get the tangible product, but they don't see that the process, the design, the brainstorming, the design, then because they don't see if you have problem at the end, how to go back and then see what actually the earlier thinking should be redefined or rethink of what the decision earlier should be.